Hi, I'm Pritesh, co-founder and CEO at Juicy Chemistry. Juicy Chemistry is an organic skin and personal care brand that deep dives into nature's brilliance to deliver pure, potent and performance-oriented products for skin and hair health. Our journey started here in Coimbatore, and I grew up watching my father start his own entrepreneurial journey here in Coimbatore as a young boy. I watched him build his own business from humble beginnings and how it shaped my view of entrepreneurship. Coimbatore as a city really helped and rewarded him for that patience, even as an outsider. And I think that had a very powerful impact on the way we started structuring Juicy Chemistry right from its very humble beginnings as well. Building India from Tamil Nadu. Together, we'll build India. What was available in the industry was more noise or marketing slogans than compliance in the first place, right? So for Juicy Chemistry, it was very important to not just claim organic as a marketing claim, but to follow processes that ensured we were able to deliver on the promise of organic, and that's the reason why Juicy Chemistry existed in the first place. The second biggest gap that we saw was, whilst many of the customers wanted organic and personal care in their everyday regime, many of them didn't know where to start from. And even if they did, they used it more like a medicine, or they used it more as a remedy rather than an experience in the first place. So for us, to make it natural with performance was the big gap that we wanted to fill. When we started off, that was not the intention, and that was not the expectation as well that we set for ourselves. The products eventually started speaking for themselves, and quality transcended borders when consumers started giving us phenomenal reviews. Our repeat rates started ballooning up upwards of around 50% on a month-on-month basis. That's when we knew that we were really onto something. We were able to make ourselves present, especially in smaller towns like Coimbatore. We were able to get ourselves noticed much faster. So I guess whilst we didn't expect to make waves across nation, starting from a small tier 2 city like Coimbatore, we were able to quickly transcend the borders and get into real aspects of the business that really helped us grow this business from Tamil Nadu to a truly national brand with over 10,000 pin codes in service and over 150 products in certification by EcoCert France in accordance to Cosmos standard. Off the top of my mind, one of the biggest things that I can think of starting off from a state like Tamil Nadu is its phenomenal deep engineering capabilities. I think systems and process orientation, the importance that is paid to quality has been absolutely phenomenal. And I think as a culture, we've already adapted that in the state, and that really helped us own our own manufacturing. We needed a lot of support to customize our machineries, to customize important processes that were very unique to us. And I think that was a very, very important support that the city and the state was able to provide to us as we started off in our journey. I think the story has definitely moved from a metro first to a tier 2, tier 3 penetration for startups in India. If you look at the numbers, almost 45%, upwards of all startups now are going to be registered or already are registered from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Real founders with real problems are solving for micro niche customer requirements and are able to scale these businesses across different towns in India. Apart from that, I think the ecosystem has developed phenomenally and at a very rapid pace in the last half a decade. I think the Startup Republic initiative by PayU is a phenomenal initiative that's been taken. It's not just about providing capital or giving systems for the new age startups to be in place, but it also is giving a phenomenal platform for connecting founders to real-time information, to real-time insights, to make sure that they are giving the new age startup companies a platform to get visible. Initiatives like this really help us understand that it does not matter how you or where you start from, and it won't determine where you will reach. We have systems, we have processes, we have support systems in place, we have logistics that's evolving on a continuous basis as well. So I think the golden period for the startup culture in India is just about getting started, and the next decade or two is going to be definitely belonging to India. Building India from Tamil Nadu. Together we'll build India.